Hi, my name is Lacey Whitlatch. I'm a family nurse practitioner and I work in the Department of Primary Care. I attended nursing university at Frontier Nursing University in Lexington, Kentucky, where I received my Master's of Science in Nursing Practice as well as my Doctor of Nursing Practice degree. In high school, my mom was diagnosed with advanced breast cancer, so I spent a lot of time at the James Cancer Center with her various treatments and hospitalizations, and I saw how competent, knowledgeable, and caring the nursing staff was in the care that she received, and I knew that one day I wanted to be one. A common misconception about primary care is that you don't need primary care if you feel healthy. Primary care is a place for healthy individuals to discuss their health goals and interval health screenings. Reduce the intake of sugary beverages, drink water, and move your body. I have so much fun in my free time, stand-up paddleboarding at the lake and gardening. My approach to patient care embraces shared decision-making while communicating medical knowledge in a respectful and emotionally supportive environment.